Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Kumar. Welcome back to the GitHub Actions series. In this video, I will show you how to securely store and use secrets like API, keys and password, and how to work with variables for non-sensitive configuration. By the end of this video, you will know exactly when to use secrets versus variables and how to keep your workflows secure. What is secret in GitHub Action? Secrets in GitHub Action are encrypted variables that store sensitive information. This could be an API key, database password or token that you don't want to expose in your code. These are the key features of GitHub Secrets. Encrypted storage. Secrets are encrypted at rest and in transit. Limited access. Secret can only be accessed within the context of your workflow, preventing unintended exposures. Log masking. Secrets are masked in logs, reducing the risk of accidental exposure. Now let's see how we can store a secret in GitHub. So for that, we need to go into the settings. Then we need to go into the security, and under that we have a option of secret and variables. And if we click on the actions, we have a two options, that is secret and variables. Now let's create one secret. I'm giving a name that is my secret key, and I'm entering the value that is 12345 12345. And that's it. The secret is now securely stored and ready to use in the GitHub Actions. Along with secret, GitHub Actions also support variables, which store non-sensitive configuration values that can be reused across workflows. Unlike secrets, variable can be viewed and edited after creation. Now let's see how to store a variable in the GitHub. Let's go back to the GitHub repository, and under the security tab we have another option, that is variables. And we can create a variable here, and I'm giving a variable that is environment and entering a value that is production. And that's it. The variable is now stored and can be used in the workflow. Now let's create a simple GitHub action workflow that reads and print a secret and a variable. Let's go to the code and create one workflow. Let's create a workflow that is secrets vars demo.yml, and I'm giving a name to it, that is secrets and variables demo, and it will be running on push event jobs, and the name is show data, and it will be running on our runner that is Ubuntu-latest. And let's specify the steps here. Now the first step is to check out the code, and I'm using the action here, check out at v3. And in the second step we will be using a secret to see the value, use secret and run echo using secret, and in the bracket we can give a flag that is a marker masked. And to use or read the value of the secret, we can use keyword called secrets and the secret name, that's my secret underscore key. This is the name which I gave to my secret. Then let's use a variable. So here I am also using a run and echo environment variable, and here I am using a vars keyword along with the environment variable name which I gave at the time of creation of the variable. Here I am getting one error here, so let's fix this one. Because of the colon we are not getting a proper mapping of it, so let's commit the changes and let's head over to the actions tab, and we can see there is a new action got created, that is secret and variable demo, and it got failed because of the incorrect syntax. And let's come back here, and this is the workflow. Yeah, this is the one. So let's fix this. I mistyped this. It should be hyphen. And let's commit the changes. And if we came back here, and it's working, it's waiting for runner to pick up the job, and it worked fine. And if we see the secret information, it's masked because it's a secret. And if we see the variable information, it's visible because it's a variable, so we can see it in the logs, but for the secret it's masked. So this is the powerful feature of the GitHub. So how we can use the secret so it won't be showcased on the logs as well. To keep your workflow secure, we need to follow these best practices. Use secret for sensitive data like API keys and passwords. Use variable for non-sensitive configuration like environment names. Never store secret directly in the workflow file, and rotate secret regularly to maintain security. And that's how you can securely manage secret and variables in the GitHub Actions. We covered what secret and variables are, how to store and use them in the workflow, and best practices for security. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.